Finat is celebrating its 60th anniversary this year already, but it's only since the mid-1970s that we've been organizing these events. And these biennial events are really a benchmark in the development of the industry.
Well, the changes we made this year were really because we wanted to see a little bit of a change in the emphasis towards the end market for labels. So a little bit more about how the labels are used and made, and perhaps less around the raw materials and how they're being developed.
As it's made in the factories and then shipped around the world, data is flowing all the time to the cloud, in the distribution centers, into retail.
There's all this information up there. Who controls that?
You have a point, absolutely. And of course, it's up to each and everybody to secure their internet assets.
Finat is quite unique. The label industry is quite unique. It's at the upper end of the packaging and label spectrum and widely regarded as one of the most innovative industries. So we need the supply chain to know about what's going on elsewhere in the chain.
We're now not individualizing the labels, but we're individualizing the roles of labels to make these roles also trackable throughout the complete production chain.
We have no solvents, we don't need to worry about solvent emissions. What we want to achieve is to provide a set of guidelines and standards by which print production, design of packaging can be kind of standardized for our industry. And we will also get input along the way from converters and also from the brand owners to ensure that we're aligned with the wishes of all the stakeholders.
You invested a lot of time thinking about the technical workshops that we had about multi-layer labels and peel and read labels to really be a packaging partner.
From my point of view, it's been very refreshing, unusual topics that I don't normally see. Talking to people at the event seems to be, I think, by and large, a lot of interest.
So we go back 24 hours. We were sitting here yesterday and we were hearing all about automation, how all these machines are going to make our lives easier.
I think it's now more than ever that we need to maintain the relationships that we have with our European partners. This is an ideal point where we galvanise those relationships together to the benefit of everyone.
Obviously, I'd like to thank you all for participating in this year's technical seminar of 2018, where I think we've learned a lot about some significant changes in our industry, about the way consumers are going to interact with products and what impact that's going to have on labels.